Hi everybody. In this video we're going to learn how to change the size of a sprite when something happens in a program. So for example, when the cat eats the apple, it will grow smaller, and when the cat eats the orange, it will grow bigger. Just like in Super Mario, when the size of the Super Mario changes. So I still have the same joystick controls here. Set rotation left, right. So it only animates the sprite when I touch the keys, because each one of these loops has a next costume block in it. And I'm going to set the size at the beginning here. So I'm going to add one extra command. So size of the cat is under looks. Going to set the size to 100%. So at the beginning of the game, the cat will be normal size, 100% of the size. And I've already got my sprites here. Now I just need to tell these sprites where to go at the beginning of the game. So I'm just going to do that quickly here in events. When it's clicked, I want it to go to the spot I've already dragged it to. So I'm just going to use the go to command. And I'm going to do the same thing with the orange. I'm going to use the go to command and the events when flag is clicked. Okay. So now I just need to detect when the cat touches the apple. So let's go into the cat and see, so we can detect when it touches the apple. So when the green flag clicks, I'm going to need a forever loop. I'm going to forever in the game, I'm checking to see whether it touches the apple or the orange. So I need a couple of if-then statements, one for the apple and one for the orange. So for sensing, we need to sense whether it's touching another sprite. So if the cat is touching the apple, then what's happening? We want to set the size of the cat. We want to make it smaller, so that's going to be under looks. So we're going to set the size to, let's say 50%, half the size. 50 is half of 100. Then I'm going to send a message to the fruit, so to the apple, to disappear. So to do that, you have to go into events and broadcast message. This is called message 1, but we can call it the new message, and we'll say message will be eat apple. Okay. So as soon as the cat touches the apple, it will send a message saying eat apple. So if I go to apple, and when I receive the eat apple message, then I'm going to go into looks and hide it. There we go. Awesome. Right now we just got to do the same thing with the orange, except when the cat eats the orange, it will make it bigger. And you can see why I put the set size to 100% at the beginning of the game for the cat, because as soon as I click the go, the cat will be normal size again. So let's do this if-then statement for the orange. So if the cat is touching the orange, then we're going to set the size, that's under looks. We're going to set the size to 100%, so it'll go back to normal size. So if the cat is touching the orange, then it's going to set the size to 100%, so the cat will get bigger. And we're going to send a message to the orange. So go to events, broadcast, broadcast. Okay, it says eat apple. We'll hit the drop down arrow and new message. It's going to be eat orange. Okay, there we go. So we're sending a new message that says eat orange. So we need to go to events, and when I receive the eat orange message, we are going to hide. And let's see here. And there we go.